Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, tell me. 12, 20, 10:52. Who told? Wrong answer it is. You don't know the time. Sneha given wrong answer. Maruti given wrong answer. Yes, Suchit, very good. Kapil beta, what are you giving the answer? Not 12:29. Not 12:29. Yes, very good. That is 12:24. 12:24. Okay, now students, I am going to share you one image. Again, one image I am going to share you. It's related to the clock. Okay. Yes. Now look at here. Parts of a clock. Now, my screen is visible to everyone. Yes. My screen is visible to everyone now. Okay. Good. Everyone concentrate properly. In the circle, now I am going to show you. Wait a second, student. In this circle, numbers are there. Okay. Tell me which numbers are there from dash to dash. How many numbers are there? From 1 to 100, some numbers are there. Tell me in chat box. 1 to 12. Very good. 1 to 12. Yes. Now in between, one black circle is there. Yes or no? It is visible properly, black circle? Yes. Now it is given you the parts of a clock. In division also we learn each number has the separate name. In multiplication also we learn the numbers has their separate name. Yes or no? Yes, students, tell me. In the multiplication also you learn, no, each number has the separate name. Yes. In division also you learn each number has the separate name. Yes or no? In this way, in measuring time, today we are going to learn the chapter measuring time. In this also, a clock has a separate part. Yes or no? How many parts are there total? Yes, 5 parts are there. See, look at here everyone. First one, now I am going to highlight. Look at here everyone. This is the first one. It's a minute hand. Everyone look at here, which I am going to highlight with the blue color. It's a minute hand. After lecture, that means the last 10 minutes, I am going to ask you the question. Okay, student? I am going to ask you the questions. What is the name of that hand? Okay? So watch it properly, listen it properly when I am going to explaining you. Okay, now what is the name of that middle one? It's a blue color. It's a minute hand. What is the time? It's a minute hand. Yes or no? Okay. Now I'm going to clear the again. Yes, now look at here. I'm going to yes, friend. So, yes, hello. Am I audible clearly? Hello. Now am I audible clearly? Okay. Okay. Friends, now look at here. Yes. Now look at here in one watch image. I given you one image. It's related to the clock. Yes. In this, given you the 3 hand, that is minute, Okay, it is showing you in, now I am going to highlight with red color like this. See, if suppose you have now, at possible, if suppose you have the clock watch, then observe there, in this watch, some lines are there in between numbers, means the number between 5 and 4, small 4 lines are there, we call that minute. Okay, now I'm going to highlight with red color. Look at here everyone, which I'm going to highlight with red color, that is for single line. That is for single line. Okay, between the two numbers, some small lines are there. We call that minute hand. What we call minute hand. Now next, I'm going to highlight again with red color, and the hand, which one hand is there? It's a second hand. We call that second hand. What we call second hand. Now, which I am going to given you in blue color. Okay, that hand is given to you in different color. One is in black color, that is second hand. One is in red color, that's a minute hand, and one it is in a blue color. Yes or no? Blue color, and one is in a hover hand. Okay, so watch it properly. One is given to you, it's a hover hand, it's a minute hand, second hand, and the lines given to you, line indicates hour, it's a minute. Okay, clear everyone? Yes, still here, clear everyone? Yes. Wait a second, student. I'm going to share you again one image. Yes, I'm going to explaining you again. Wait a second. Okay. Again, the same image I'm going to show you. Okay, now my screen is visible properly. Now my screen is visible properly. Okay. Now look at here. It's a hover hand showing you. After that, second hand showing you, and minute hand showing you. Okay. Understood properly? Yes, these are the parts of a clock. These are parts of a clock. Now I am going to share you one image that is related to the textbook, and in this image they are showing you the timing. Okay, now look at here, I am going to make it zoom the screen. Okay, wait a second. It's related to measuring time only. First page is there, measuring time. Look at here. Now we want to say what is the time going on. Now what is the time going on? Okay, they are asking you what is the time. Now first one, tell me the hour hand is between 1 and 2. The minute hand is at 6. It means that the time is 30 minutes past 1. Okay, this is the word problem. This is the word problem. Okay. Now student, first one clock. First one watch clock I given you here, and I'm going to highlight with its red color. They're given you the two hand. Okay. Now I'm going to highlight with red color. It's a 40. How to read? How to understand? Now what's exactly going on? What is the time? Now what is the time? So tell me how you will be understood. It's a no beta. It's a first one. Go to the first one. Go to the first one. It's already given to you, that is 45 minutes past 1. That means 12 to 45. Everyone look at here. 12 to 45. I'm going to highlight 12 to 45. Means 12 to 9. 12 to number, from number 12 to number 9, we called a 45 minutes. Yes or no? Okay, tell me 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? full 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Tell me, anyone have idea? Very good. It's a 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Understood till here, everyone? Okay. Yes, students. Now go to the next. Yes, go to the next. Yes, tell me the time. Very good. Yes, how many students are given the correct answer? I want to check. Wait a second. I'm going to check in chat box. Yes, Sakshi, very good. Another students are not responding. Why? Yes, students, observe this second watch and tell me the time. Very good. 2:35. It's the common time, but how to read? How to read like this? How to read this time? That is 35 minutes past 2. 35 minutes past 2. Understood, everyone? Yes. Okay, good. Now next one is, I'm going to highlight with the yellow color. I'm going to highlight with which color? It's a yellow color. Okay. You want to see the time. Yes, students. Now tell me exactly what is time. In the watch, which time given to you? Exactly. The 15 minutes past 10. Very nice. 15 minutes past 10. Good. Okay. 15 minutes past 2. Good. Okay. Yes. Cleared, everyone? Now go to the next. I'm going to highlight with green color. Yes, I'm going to highlight with green color. Wait a second. Okay. Now I'm going to highlight that green color. Okay. Wait a second. Yes. What is the time? Tell me, student. Yes. Say, give me answer in chat box. What is the time? Good. No, some students are given the wrong answer. You don't know the how to count time, minute. See, now what is the time there? Yes, in short language, we are going to tell a 3:55. Yes or no? 3:55. But in our mathematical language, we want to say like 55 minutes, 55 minutes past 2 or 3. 55 minutes passed by 2, not 3. 55 minutes passed by 2, not 3. Because 2:55 is there, not 3:55. Understood? Yes, 55 passed by 2. Okay, good. Now next I'm going to highlight. Yes, students, don't chat. Don't give the response in chat box. Wait a second. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me, beta. Give me response in chat box. Now I'm going to highlight with green color. Side circle only, the side watch. Side clock watch is there. Tell me what is the time exactly. Yes. Answer I want in chat box. 80 minutes. No. Good. Very nice. Most of the students are given the proper answer. Okay. 40 minutes passed by 9. 40 minutes passed by 9. Very nice. Good. Okay. So till here everyone clear how to read and how to know about the measure, how to know about the timing, how to read the time. If suppose, yes, if suppose in front of you watch is there, okay? In front of you one watch is there and someone is asking you what is the time, what is the time going on. So at that time you are giving proper response. Okay, like if suppose 2:35 is there, 2:35, 2 hours 35 minutes. So both language you want to say. Okay, it is possible to say in a both language, that is 2:35. Otherwise 35 minutes passed by 2. Understood? 2:35. Understood properly? How to calculate, how to read the time, how to understand the time. Everyone understood? Yes? Clear everyone? Till here everyone clear? Till here everyone clear? If suppose 1 hour 30 minutes is there in front of you, 1 hour 30 minutes is there in watch. So tell me how you are reading in mathematical language. How you are telling what is the time? 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. Just tell me. 1 hour 30 minutes. Very good. 30 minutes passed by 1. Very good. Okay. Yes, very nice, very nice. Now students, I am going to share you one image. Okay. This you know already. The time is given to you in different watch. And you want to identify this. Next image is there. In this also indicating the time. Okay. Now I am going to make it zoom. Look at here everyone. 1 hour is equal to, you know very well, that is 60 minutes. Okay. Yes or no? This is the basic things. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Yes or no? Okay. Now next, half an hour. Half an hour, that means is equal to how many? Half an hour. Yes. Tell me about half an hour is equal to how many? It is already given to you. Yes. Half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Half an hour is equal to, it is already given you beta. I am given you in slide. Yes or no? Yes. I given you in image. It is half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Look at here. I am going to highlight. I'm going to highlight one. Watch it properly. What I'm showing you, listen it properly, because in the last 10 minutes, I'm going to ask you 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Half an hour is equal to how many minutes? That basic questions I'm going to ask you. So watch it properly, listen it properly, give concentration properly. No need to moving here and there. Okay. Everyone keep your phone properly, hold your phone properly and concentrate. Now next. Look at here. That is a quarter of an hour. A quarter of an hour. That means is equal to 15 minutes. 1-5. Understood? A quarter of an hour is equal to 15 minutes. That means how many minutes? 1-5. Not a 50. 1-5, 15 minutes. Yes or no? Next one is 3/4 of an hour. 3/4 of an hour is equal to 45 minutes. Very good. It is already given to you. I given you the ready-made. Yes or no? Yes, you want to learn it properly. I given you the ready-made. A quarter of an hour, 15 minutes. 3/4 of an hour, 45 minutes. Yes. It is I given you the ready-made. And when I'm going to ask you at that time, give me the answer in this way also. Okay? Yes. Now I'm going to again tell you the quarter of an hour is equal to, there are 4 quarter in a clock. Very good. A quarter of an hour is equal to 15 minutes. And 3/4 of an hour is equal to, tell me, 45 minutes. Okay. Yes. So now again I'm going to show you this image, that is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour, this is the, if suppose in exam like these questions are there in a fill-ups, otherwise objective answer, match-up answer, at that time you want to know 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, half an hour is equal to how much minutes, like this all basic things you should know. Okay, everyone clear till here? Yes or no? Okay, now next I'm going to clear this image and we will proceed to the next. Okay, yes. Yes, Purvaja, you not understood. Okay, again I'm going to explaining you with the, I'm going to highlight with red color. Yes, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes means full 1 hour. Okay. 120 minutes means, tell me. Yes, tell me 120 minutes is equal to how many hour? 120. Yes, anyone have idea? Give me answer. Very good. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Yes or no? Very good. Half not. It's a 2 hours. Half hour means 30 minutes. Now I'm going to ask you, the 160 minutes is equal to how many hours? 160 minutes. 160 minutes is equal to how many hours? Yes? 2 hours. Yes. 1 hour is equal to 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. Yes or no? Clear? Don't be get the confused. Yes, already given you in image. If suppose you are getting confused, then write down in your notebook at one side. That means afterwards you will see and then concentrate properly what is the correct answer. Don't be get the confused. Now am I clear proper? Don't be get confused. You want to write down in your notebook what is the minute, what is the hour. Okay. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there? And in 120 minutes, how many hours are there? Half an hour is equal to how many minutes? 3/4. 3/4 of an hour is equal to how many minutes? Like this, you should know. Yes or no? Okay, now look at here and proceed to the next. Go to the first watch. That is one watch given to you and timing also indicates there. Tell me what is the time given to you. Can I zoom this screen? Wait a second. Okay. Look at here. I'm going to highlight the screen. Yes. Tell me. What is the time? Now I'm going to explaining you. See, look at here. The hour hand is between 1 and 2. Look at here. This is a hour hand. I'm going to show you with the blue color. This is your hour hand. And it is in between which two numbers are there? 1 and 2. Okay. Yes, 15 minutes past 1. Very good. Now look at here, I am going to explaining you how to read this number, how to watch it properly, the hand, minute hand, second hand, okay, hour hand. Yes. So look at here, your hour hand is between 1 and 2. Yes or no? Your hour hand is between 1 and 2 and the minute hand is on 3. Look at here, I am going to highlight the minute hand that is on 3. See properly what is the hour hand, what is the minute hand. Your hour hand is between 1 and 2. Your minute hand is on 3. Is on 3. So 1 hour and quarter hour has passed. Yes or no? 1 hour means what? It's a full 60 minutes. It is also past. 1 hour and quarter hour has passed. Quarter hour means what? This 15 minutes. Okay. Quarter hours means what? This 15 minutes. So 1 hour also passed and 15 minutes also. That means 1 hour and 15 minutes. How you will be read? 1 hour and 15 minutes. Because the minute hand is between 1 and 2. Sorry, the hour hand is between 1 and 2 and minute hand is on correct 3. See, look at here, I am going to clear the drawing. That means you will understood. Watch it properly. Your hour hand is between 1 and 2 and minute hand is on 3. Hour hand between 1 and 2. Minute hand is on 3. That means 15 minutes passed by 1. 15 minutes passed by 1. Understood? And it is 15 minutes past. So 1 hour and quarter hour has passed. It is a quarter past 1. In 2 language, we are going to tell you. How you will be read in a 2 language? It's a quarter past 1. Quarter why? Because 15 minutes are there and we are calling to 15 minutes. It's a quarter. Understood till here? Yes. Understood till here? It is a quarter past 1. It is a quarter past 1. Okay. Yes. Now understood the first one watch. Everyone understood this watch? How to read? Everyone cleared? Okay. Now go to the second, which I am going to highlight with blue color. Go to that. Yes. Now tell me the exactly time. Now I am going to explaining you each and every hand. Tell me exactly time. What is the time there now? What is the exactly time? Tell me. Yes. I want answer. Yes, it's a 30 minutes passed by 2. 30 minutes passed by 2. Understood? Yes. Now, it is 30 minutes past 2. That means when 2 hours and a half hour have passed. 2 hours and a half hour have passed. We say it is half past 2. What we say? 2 languages are there. Yes, it is our common language, 30 minutes passed by 2. But in a measuring time language, you want to say it's a 2 hours and a half hour have passed. That means we say it is a half past 2. Understood what you want to say? Half past 2. 2:30. If suppose anyone is asking you normally at that time, what are you telling? Yes, 2:30 is there. 2:30 is there. But in measuring time language, you want to say That is a half past 2. Now tell me in this watch. Look at here. Tell me what is the time in measuring time language. Tell me. Half past. Tell me. Half past what? 2 or 3? Which I am going to do the right tick. Now I am going to highlight with red color. Tell me in this watch what is the exact time. Half past 2 or 3? Half past 3, because the hour hand is between 3 and 4. Look at properly. The hour hand is between 3 and 4 and minute hand is on 6. Understood? First of all, you should understood the difference between minute hand and hour hand. Okay? Yes. Your hour hand is between 3 and 4 and your minute hand is on 6. Your minute hand is on 6. So tell me, 30 minutes passed by 3. 30 minutes passed by 3. Understood? Yes. Now go to the next, which I am going to highlight again in red color. Yes, tell me the time. What is the exactly time? Now I am going to highlight with red color. Show me the time. Tell me the time. Yes, very good. Okay, student, now look at here. It is 45 minutes past 1. Okay. A quarter of an hour less than 2. Less than 2 can also be read as a quarter to. As a quarter to. How you will be read this? Two methods given to you. First one is like 1:45. Second one is 45 minutes past 1. Yes or no? Okay. Now, and third one is, that is a quarter to. A quarter to. That means, if suppose you are saying like this also, in this same way, we also say a quarter to 3, a quarter to 4. Okay. A quarter to 3, a quarter to 4, a quarter to 12. Like this you will say. Now I am going to highlight. Now I am going to erase first of all this drawing. Yes, now I am going to highlight this. Okay. Yes. Next is what? It's a 45 minutes past 1. A quarter of an hour less than 2 can also be read as a quarter to. Can also be read as a quarter to. Now next one is, which I am going to highlight with green color. Look at here. Yes, what is the time? What is the time? It is 45 minutes past 12. Very good. 45 minutes past 12. But which is the next method? This can also be read as, in this which method? Yes. We are calling quarter to what? Tell me. Look at here. I'm going to highlight. See. Quarter means which part? Number 12 to 3. That is a 15 minutes. Number 12 to 3. This 15 minutes means 1 quarter. Understood? This is the 1 quarter. 12 to number 3. 15 minutes. Understood? Now, the 15 minutes to 30 minutes. 15 minutes to 13 minutes. It's the second quarter. 15 minutes to 30 minutes. It's a second quarter. Understood? What is the quarter? Anyone is asking you. I'm going to see in a chat box. Who are having doubt what means quarter? Yes or no, beta? Look at here, exactly meaning of quarter means what? I given you the example, that is number 12 to 3. It's a 1 quarter, 15 minutes. After that 3 to 6. Number 3 to 6. It's a second quarter. Again 15 minutes. That means total first quarter and second quarter total 30 minutes. Third one, that is number 6 to 9. Again 50 minutes. 1 5 15 minutes. So it's a third one quarter. And again 9 to 12. 9 to 12. Again 15 minutes. That means it's a fourth quarter. Understood? Yes, students. Now clear what is a quarter part and why we calling to that exactly the quarter? Quarter of 1, quarter of 2. Understood why we are calling quarter? Yes, who having doubt? Arnav, clear beta? Arnav. Last one. Yes, who have? Yes, which doubt is there? Tell me. Which doubt is there? Tell me. Otherwise, send me response in chat box. Yes, quarter. That only I am going to explaining you, student. Okay, no doubt, no problem. Now, quarter means what? First quarter means number 12 to 5, 15 minutes. It is first quarter. Number 3 to 6. Next 15 minutes, that is a second quarter, is equal to 30 minutes. Third one, number 6 to 9. This 15 minutes. Quarter 3. Yes, very good. Quarter 3. And number 9 to 12, quarter 4. Till clear? No doubt. Okay, good. Now go to the next. Next, what is there? I'm going to show you. Wait a second. First of all, I'm going to clear that drawing. Next. Some objective given to you, student. Don't go to the chat box. If suppose you are sending the message in chat box, then you will not able to see my image properly. No one is respond. When I am going to tell you at that time, give the response. Okay. Now, filling the blanks is there. Filling the blanks is there. Okay. Quarter past 3. Quarter past 3. That means is equal to 50. Past 3. Okay. Quarter past 3 is equal to 15 minutes past 3. Yes, it is already given to you. Yes or no? It is already given to you. Quarter past is equal to 15 minutes past 3. Understood? Now go to the next, which I given you in number 3rd, quarter past 5. Quarter past 5 is equal to dash. You want to say the answer. I am going to ask you the question, everyone. Now give me answer. In chat box, I want the answer. Yes. A quarter past, wait a second. A quarter past 5 is equal to how many minutes? How many passed by dash? Yes. I want to check the answer. Wait a second. Yes, very good. Yes. Only selected students are given the answer. Why another students are not responding? How many students are there in participant list? In today's lecture, total 52 students are there. And how many are given the answer from that? Now I am going to tell you. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Only the 13 students are responding. 45 minutes past 5, that is wrong answer. Wrong answer it is. Only from the 52, only 12 and 13 students are responding. So another students are sleeping or what during lecture time? Another student. Yes. 15 minutes past 3. Okay. Good. Okay. Now students, I'm going to share you one video. It's related to the measuring time. Okay. It's related to the measuring time. So the video's volume is already low, but how to read, how to know about this each hand, what is the name of that each hand, and how to read the clock. Okay, so you will understood from the video. Everyone watch it properly what they are showing you. Okay student, now the video's volume is very low, but I showing you the video. It is related to the measuring time. Everyone watch it properly. Give the concentration properly. Okay. Wait a second, student. Okay. Everyone watch it properly. Don't respond.
Because